Origin of spectrum. In the 17th century, the word spectrum was introduced into optics by Isaac Newton. Now, Isaac Newton is the same person who has given us the entire concept of gravitation as well. He was the person who gave us the concept of spectrum, referring to the range of colors observed when light was dispersed through a prism. Now, what exactly is a prism? Prism is nothing but a cube or a pyramid which is made up of glasses. That means all the sides of that cube or all the sides of that pyramid is made up of a glass. So when light enters a prism, it is entering through one glass. When it is leaving the prism, it is leaving through the another glass. Once the light leaves the prism, the light gets converted into a spectrum because of deflection. Now, this spectrum is nothing but different colors of light. It's as good as a rainbow. Rainbow has many colors which are imbibed into each other. The same rainbow which comes out of the prism was given the name spectrum by Sir Isaac Newton. Soon the term referred to a plot of light intensity or power as a function of frequency or wavelength. Now always remember, deflection happens because of change in the wavelength. If the wavelength changes, the light which is flowing eventually disperses. And if the light is dispersing, the color of it changes. There are certain cases wherein the color will not change and yet the light has dispersed. And that is the reason why later it was referred as plot of intensity or power as a function of frequency or wavelength. It is also known as spectral density plot. It's just a new name, spectral density plot. Thank you.